What's going on, Karate family? This is Juliana Holmes. Today I'm starting a new video series on kata tutorials. The aim of this video series is to give students a reference when they're practicing at home and something that you can refer back to anytime that you need to answer a question on a kata. The first kata we're going to be working on is called Wan-Yo. Wan-Yo is the form that comes out of the Chang Han form set, and it is named for the Buddhist monk who brought Buddhism to the Silla dynasty of Korea in the year 686 AD. There are 28 movements in this form. In our system, Wan-Yo is practiced for students going from their purple belt to orange belts. What you can expect to see in the video is first a full speed run through of the form, and then a slow motion walkthrough with voiceover narration, kind of taking you step by step through the motions so that you can follow along and pick up those finer details. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Wan-Yo Hyung. All right, so here we have the right hand making a fist, left hand making a C shape, bringing them up towards your nose and mouth for the salutation. The left hand is going to stack on top of the right fist and bring to your right hip, looking to the left side. Step out with the left foot into a back stance and double forearm block. High block opens into a chop. Pull back with the cat stance, right hand makes a fist, and twisting into your side punch. And we're going to repeat on the other side. Double forearm block, chop, pull back to the cat stance, and then side punch in a straddle stance. Pivot and slide, stacking the hands on the right hip. Left leg side kick, land in a back stance, and a reinforced knife hand chop. Stepping reinforced knife hand chop, and a third reinforced knife hand chop. We're going to pivot to a forward stance as we slap the hand down, step forward with a spear hand strike, and there's a ki-ai. Stack the hands on the right hip, 3/4 turn, and again repeating double forearm block, knife hand chop, pull back to a cat stance, and side punch in the straddle leg stance. Stack the hands, look, sliding with the other direction, double forearm block, chop, pull back, side punch. Now the right hand is going to fold underneath for an outside block, slide the right foot, left foot step forward stance, right reverse outside block. Stepping front kick, land with a reverse punch, and repeat the sequence outside block, stepping front kick, reverse punch. Pivot and slide up, side kick with the right foot, and that's your second ki-ai. Step with the guard, slide, guard, and ki-ai. Salutation. Come to attention and bow. There is Wan-Yo. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave any questions that you have in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks.